Salam, Sabahul Khair, Masa al Khair. Peace, blessings, and love to everyone in the universe and in this entire world. I am coming to you with salam, peace, understanding, and compassion. I'm sitting in my car listening to the raindrops as the rain falls from the sky. I ask for this rain to take with it the malice energy, the unkind energy, the dysfunction, the chaos. I ask the energy to wash it away. I ask the rain to wash it away. I ask the rain to let it be washed away. So let's take a moment as the rain comes down, pitter patter, touching and cleansing everything that it touches, washing away things that no longer is useful for us, not of need. Let's sit in the rain today and listen to the pitter patters. And let's go deep inside and see what we hear, feel what we hear. Let's close our eyes for a moment as this rain is coming down. Let's feel the clean vibration of the rain. The rain is steadily washing away what no longer is useful for us. I love the rain. I am thanking the rain for showing up. I am asking that it carries with it whatever it no longer serves each and every one of us. Let's take a moment and just breathe in happiness. Breathe in joy for hearing and listening and taking time to be still in the rain. Let's know and let's understand in this time, in this moment, that the rain is very useful and important for our healing. Let's take a moment and sit and listen to the pitter patter of the rain. Let's listen. Let's feel it washing away things that no longer serves, no longer assists, no longer helps us on our journey. So as we are sitting here listening to this rain, we are bringing in the vibration of joy, bringing in the vibration of love, bringing in the vibration of gratitude, being grateful for being able to sit here and acknowledge and accept the joy and love from the rain. It is important. It is an element of healing for us. And you know what? It is time for us to heal. It is time for us to love. It is time for us to reach out to one another and love one another and accept one another. Not to hurt, not to condemn, not to shame, not to blame, but to what? Love. Love. This is the sound and the pitter-patter of love. Sit with it. Sit in the rain. Acknowledge it. Sit in the rain. Love it. Sit in the rain and listen to the pitter-patter of Love. Why? Because the rain showed up for us today in the United States, in Philadelphia, where I am from, to wash away everything that no longer serves. And if you are in a place where there is no rain right now, still sit in the sun, sit in the snow, sit wherever you are in your car and acknowledge the snow, the sun, the rain, the light, the dark, whatever is present for you. Acknowledge it here and now and blow a kiss to it with love and compassion. Salam. Peace.